Guys, marketing and communications can be really confusing even for business coaches because your clients often want you to build demand, but it can be a bit difficult to know where to start in terms of building out a program. So we believe at Concurve that it's all about understanding your value proposition to start with. Once you've got that, once you've got where your clients really are unique, then you can build out a marketing program that's really going to help grow and scale and supplement all the great work that you do, which is why we're announcing this great event. It's an online event called From Chaos to Customers, where we're going to walk you through the 7 impact points about how to position your clients as an expert in your field. We're going to go through things like how to really nail that value proposition, how to understand the USP for your client, and then from there we can look at the low-hanging fruit. Where do you need to start? Where do your clients need to start when it comes to building out a scalable marketing program? So forget the methods and the mediums, they come down the track. I'm talking about really understanding what's the difference that your client can make in the market and then building out a comms plan from there. So if you're a business coach, we'd love to see you there.